Hello students, hope you are all keeping well. We were revising the chapter The French Revolution. In continuation to the further part, let us try to understand that what were the reasons of the outbreak of the revolution. The first reason was that Louis XVI had to increase taxes because of his lavish lifestyle and to maintain the administration. As you all know, he had to give away salaries and had to administer the smooth running of the administration. For that, he needed money, and the option that he thought was of increasing the taxes. But students, in the old regime, that is the era before 1789 was known as the old regime, and after 1789 till 1791, this era is known as the new regime. So, the institutions of France and various organs of the government were known by the name of old and the new regimes. Now, Louis XVI had to get the increase in taxes approved by the Estates General, which was a political body, and its meeting was not being called for a very long span of time. That was a year, that was for 175 years. So the last meeting of Estates General was conducted in the year 1614. So he decided to call for a meeting, and on 5th May 1789 this meeting of Estates General was to be conducted, and the issues of the taxes were to be discussed there. For this purpose, a very big hall, in your book the word resplendent is used. So a very big hall in the city of Versailles was being prepared for this meeting. Now, as you all know, the French society was divided into three estates. So the members of the first state, who were 300 representatives or members, they gathered there, and they all sat on chairs that was in front of the king. The second estate representatives, who were also 300 in number, they also had one vote, and they also were sitting. So you can see that both the estates who were privileged by birth, they both sat. Now, the question about the third estate. The third estate had 600 representatives. These were those people who were literate, who were having know about of political issues as well as awareness of ongoings in the world. So the literate people were representing the third estate, and they were 600 in number. Other than these, there were other members also, like artisans, peasants, women, who had come to attend the meeting, but they were not allowed entry in this hall. So when the people of the third estate entered the hall, there was no arrangement for their sitting, and they all were standing there. So they stood there, and here you can see that each estate got one vote. So this was an unfair method from the olden times, from the old regime. Now, there was a demand by the third estate people that, according to the concepts given by Rousseau in his book, The Social Contract, they wanted that democratic principles should be followed and each person should have one vote. But this demand was not being approved there by the king and their monarch Louis XVI, and moreover, they had written their demands in 40,000 letters, their griefs, their troubles, their problems. They had listed a very long list. They had prepared a long list of their troubles. But when they came to know that the king is not going to entertain or is not going to give them democratic rights, then what happened? They decided to walk out of the hall, and all of them gathered in a very big indoor tennis stadium, and they decided to form a new constitution of France, where the monarch was supposed to share his powers with the parliament or with the people of France. Now, they declared themselves as the National Assembly. So, they took up the name of National Assembly and swore to draft a new constitution for France, where the king would not be having unlimited power, rather his power would be checked by the parliament or the representatives of the people. And who were the leaders? This third estate was being led by leaders like Mirabeau, who was from nobility. He took birth in a noble family, but he believed in the cause of the third estate. And the other renowned leader was Abesias. So he was a priest by birth, and he has written a pamphlet called What is the Third Estate? So, this much part we are covering. The next troubles or the other reasons we will be covering in the next video.